So a customer called me and said, hey, can you spruce up this old-timer pocket knife? I want to give it to my son. It belonged to his grandfather. And I said, well, I will give it a try. And he said the tip was broken. I said, well, I can't make it perfect, but I'll try to make it functional and be a keepsake for from his grandfather. So I'm going to do my best. I'm going to soak it in some rust release stuff tonight and see if I can get the rust off of it and kind of clean it up in the inside a little bit and make it look better and make it functional.